rapid. I just noticed it said rapid. Yeah, I was just, with the door being open, I had it at 50% on the last video. That's at 100% rapid. Obviously, I turned the coolant off. This is just a program I had in here before with no material in there, obviously, doing it. I have it at 50% rapid just so. Since I have the door open and everything. Just doing a cleanup pass on the material that I was running on here. This was some round 4140 we were doing, just a spacer on there. It was drilling a hole through. Yeah, like I said, I have it on 50% rapid. It's just parting it off, and then it kind of diverts the back end and then parts it off. Takes a cleanup cut on the back of the material just to get the lip off for the next part to be ran. That's pretty much it. I hope I did a good job of taking that video. I'll walk back and get you a thing of the serial number. That's the serial number or whatever. And then let's go see. I know on there it has the hours on there. Hold on. Feed time, total time. Usage. Alright, well here is the lathe. I mean, I can do the tool changer. Obviously, I mean the spindle. That's 1,000 RPMs. Max out at 2,000 RPMs. Yeah, I get the Haas, and that's that. Yeah, I mean, everything works fine. There's the screen. There's the screen on it. So yeah, I don't know. That's about it, I guess.